Hello there. Happy National Day. That's right. Today is the 9th of August. It's Singapore 57th birthday. And I just realized that I don't have that much work today. So I decided to do a little bit of shopping this morning at Daiso. I bought a couple of things. I thought I shoot this video to show you guys what I bought. And some of the stuff might be useful, some of the stuff might be just something I want to get. May not be useful, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, I am now at Rowers Bay Park. For those of you who doesn't know this place yet, it's quite new. I've been here a couple of times, and the other day someone posted on Facebook asking where can you park your car next to the park and then have a shelter built. Right now, you cannot see it in the video, but right now I have a shelter on top of me with two poles out there, and I hook it on to the roof of my van. So yes, so let's do this. Okay, let's do this unboxing of the Daiso stuff that I bought. Okay, this is going to be random, so I will just take out anything. First of all, is this set of a bowl with a strainer. So it comes as a set, and this is $2.14. Basically, Daiso now charges GST. So instead of the usual $2, the things are now like $2.14 and onwards. So for those of you who doesn't know me, I'm a cheapo, so I don't get those things that cost more than $2.40 in Daiso because I don't think they're worth it. But the $2.14 stuff are pretty worth it. So anyway, it comes as a set. Okay, bowl, strainer. I use this to wash my vegetables, my salad, and I strain the water out, wash my fruits, and I find this very handy for $2.14 for a set. You cannot go wrong with this. Okay, what do we have next? I got this silicone cup cover. Okay, I got two of this silicone cup covers, so you can cover the cup of coffee and all that, so that the flies and all that doesn't go into your drinks. Okay, I find this very useful, so I got them. Okay, this one and this one, I got them together. This one is just the coffee filter. I use a lot of this, and they sell this $2.14 for 40 pieces of filter. Okay, so this is really good. And then next to the filter, I chance upon this. Guess what this is? This is a box that is specially designed to keep your filter. How cool is that? Look at this. Look at how compact it is. Okay, I'll tear this away. Look at how compact it is after it's inside. Okay, and I believe you can even pull out a filter at a time from here without opening the box. So this is really cool. I believe what's behind here is actually a magnetic thing that you can, there you go. Okay, it gets stuck onto metal stuff. It's magnetic, proven. It's quite strong too. Okay, so I've got these two items. I cannot resist this. I cannot resist it. I was looking for they do have a silicone funnel that is foldable, collapsible into something very thin. But when I saw this, I couldn't resist, even though it is not collapsible. Let me show you, okay? It's so cute. So cute. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding you. Okay, so this comes as a set of 3 funnels, right? Look at this. There is this tiny little one, like really cute, tiny little one. And then there's this medium size. And last but not least, there's this regular size funnel. So they come as a set, and again, $2.14 for this set. How can you say no to this? You cannot say no to this. No, you cannot. Okay. Um, I think this is really really cool. I got two of this. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so basically this is a magnetic hook. Uh, it says here, if you stick it horizontally, it can hold up to 0.75 kg, and if you stick it up vertically on the top, on the ceiling or something, it can hold up to 2 kg. It's actually very very strong. I had a hard time trying to pull the two of them away from each other. This is really cool. I haven't used it yet, but again, magnetic. Okay, proven to be magnetic. So now if I want to test anything that's magnetic, I can actually test it on my van. So I got two of this. Get it out of the way. I have got this stainless steel clothes pin, 4 pieces of them. They have smaller ones, like 10 pieces pack or 8 pieces pack. I got this 4 pieces pack because to me, this is the size that's just right for my purpose. This is very useful. You can imagine, you can clip onto any of the lines and all that, cloth lines and all that, and then you can put an S hook here to hang stuff, or you can just dry your clothes with this. And it's stainless steel, so I hope it will not rust. And it's pretty strong. Okay, painful. Don't try. Ouch. Okay, out of the way. Another chopping board. I mean, you can never get enough of chopping board, right? So I heard it is you're supposed to separate the chopping boards, like for meat and vegetables and whatnot. So I got another one, again, $2.14. Everything you see here is $2.14 items. Okay, I have got the S hook plastic ones that is you can close it on one of the sides. One of the sides is open. Let me try and open this and show you. Okay, so it looks like a normal S hook, except this side is actually lockable and this side is open. So I was thinking you can lock it onto a line so that it won't come off, and then you can hook stuff on it. 4 pieces of this, looks quite sturdy. Says to hold 1 kg per hook. Again, 4 pieces for $2.14. I have got the silicone pot holder. Sometimes when you cook coffee and all that, right, the handle tends to get a bit hot and it's hard to hold. So I think this is very useful for you to hold your hot stuff, items or whatever. Okay, your pot. Okay. And then the other day, I was watching a video. This is just an ordinary laundry, what do you call this? Laundry net. Okay, I got this, is 35 cm by 50 cm. This is quite a large one. I was watching a video the other day and they were saying that this is good to put your washed utensils out to dry. So basically you put your wash items here and then you just hang it out there and let it dry naturally instead of wiping it, so you don't have to use a cloth to wipe it. You can of course also put your wet clothing and all that in here. Okay, so again, $2.14. And some of you might have seen me post this when I was in Daiso today. This, I'm not gonna lie to you, okay, this is not a need, this is more like a want. Look at how cute this is. Same fabric, different sizes. So you got the large one. I reckon you can put like bigger items like tongs, spatula, and cooking stuff. And then this one, the slightly smaller one, maybe for your fork and spoon and whatnot. And then this one maybe for, who knows, right? They're identical design, it's just different size. And it says, I'm not sure whether you can see in the video, but it says the best view comes, and then campus, go outdoor. When I saw this design, because I was there looking for camping stuff, you know, it's like it's calling out to me and said, "Hey, you have to buy me." And when I saw the three sizes, I was like, "Okay, should I get the big one? Should I get the medium one? Or should I get a small one?" And well, I ended up getting all three. So yeah, are all these items a need? Probably not. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, they are not all needs, but are they all cute? Yes, I think they're very cute and useful. Whether I use them now or in the future, that's a big question. So yeah, very nice weather today. It's slightly sunny, but because I've got this huge tub over my head, I don't feel hot at all. In fact, it's pretty breezy out here. It's a very nice view. I'll turn the camera around so that you can see. So this is my van. I park it just next to the park. There is no double yellow line here or something, so technically it is not illegal. So this is the view, right? This is what I am looking at from where I was sitting just now. And then this is the view on the road that is coming in from what is that? Is it called Seletar Country Club or something like that? So this is where you can park your vehicle. You can see that there are also other vehicles out there. There are some vehicles there. And this is the view. This is the view that you'll be looking at. For those of you who are familiar or not familiar, you are right now looking at Yishun Dam. Yes, I think most of you are familiar with Yishun Dam, right? So that's Yishun Dam, and then this is just an extension here. This place is pretty new. This place is pretty new, and you're looking at the Seletar Reservoir, right? That's I think that's Orchid Country Club, and that's Yishun over there. So gorgeous view. And now come and take a look at the tent that I built. It's slightly windy today, but luckily the ground is quite firm, so the pegs, the stainless steel pegs that I'm using can hold it quite well. And yeah, so I just hold this up with 2 poles, 4 strings, 4 ropes, and then I am using this plastic suction cup with a hook thing that I also bought from Daiso this morning. This wasn't the original intention. I actually ordered something that is specially meant for this purpose, which is supposedly a lot stronger, that is made of steel and better plastic. This one looks like it's not going to hold very well, but so far, touch wood, so far so good. So I've got the other one over here, right there. It's the same one. So if you have any clean flat surface, basically it sucks on quite well. I'm just not sure how long it will hold though. So this is the whole setup. Looks pretty comfortable. You can sit like, I don't know, easily 7 to 8 people, right? Sorry for the mess in my van. I still haven't got the time to go and sort out the shelving, the logistics and all that. So but basically this is it. Very comfortable, and I hope you like this video, and I look forward to doing more videos like this for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.